Hi, welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. What happened in Allianz Arena? PSG, congratulations, you deserved. Before we get into the too much details that हुआ क्या कि PSG कैसा खेली या बायर्न कैसा खेली, मैं छोटा एक डेफिनेशन बताना चाह रहा हूँ आप लोगों को. Bear with me, right? Definition is, what is the difference between master and the student? A master is defined by the honest earned skill, extensive experience, and ability to teach, while a student is defined by curiosity, learning, developing foundational skill. That's exactly the difference what I saw between Enrique and Vincent Company. Let me go out and say Vincent Company बहुत जबरदस्त मैनेजर बनेगा आगे चल के. Who knows he gonna carry forward Pep's legacy in Manchester City? Captain leader who scored that daggering goal, right, to make Manchester City win against. I mean, I forgot. I think it's for Aston Villa शायद. मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. जो लिवरपूल 97 पॉइंट स्कोर करे, सेंचुरियन वाली मैनचेस्टर सिटी I'm talking about. But that being said, today Enrique, let's get started, right? PSG was coming with 5-4, right? They were coming with 1 goal lead. But मैं जानता था, आप लोग जानते थे, सड़क पे चलने वाला जानता था कि this lead is nothing, right? In a one split second, anything could change. This is high profile Champions League we are talking about. That exactly that what happened, right? Because attack like Kane, Olise, and Luis Diaz, who gonna stand a chance with the midfield pressure coming from Kimmich, right? उसको withstand कौन कर सकता, right? The only team that could do stop Bayern or any team that could stop PSG was either of them. और दोनों ही एक दूसरे के अगेंस्ट खेल रहे थे. What a spectacle to have. देखिए, मैं आपको लास्ट टाइम ही मेरे प्रीवियस वीडियोस में मैं आपको समझाया था कि सेकेंड लेग 9 goals वाला या 8 goals 10 goals वाला नहीं होता. That was anomaly that happened in the first leg. That not going to repeat all the time. All right, that's once in the generation kind of matches हम लोग देखे. So but that being said, see, it after the basketball match that took place in first leg, second leg, lot of people started in journalists, lot of journalists started questioning both the managers कि आपकी philosophy क्या रहने वाली है, right? The philosophy was simple, straightforward. एंड्रिके भाई बोला कि भाई मैं जो मैच उसके हिसाब से मैं अडेप्ट कर लेता हूँ, लाइक ए कमीलियन, राइट, इन अ गुड सेंस कि कमीलियन जहाँ पे बैठा अपना कलर चेंज कर लेता. दैट्स हाउ ही सर्वाइव. पीएचजी को बाल हकीकत फाइनल पहुंचना था, कैसा पहुंचे, हु केयर्स. So that's exactly the difference I saw. And famous quote from Vincent Company was the highline tactic changing at this period of time. He quote unquote he said it's idiotic, doubling down on all attack policy. That's what he claimed in his press pre-match interviews, and rightly so. जो चीज काम कर रहा क्यों change करे, right? उसे. But first half to thriller था with that. See, we knew PSG has a front line of Kvaratskhelia, Ousmane Dembele, and Desiree Doué, right? These are three again very in hot form. And remember, they have who? They have Vitinha in the midfield. मैं कभी कभी सोचता हूँ विटीनिया और पेड्री, विटीनिया वल्वर्डे, अगर ये लोग की पेयरिंग रही ना, they're gonna burn fire on the field. Vitinha is that good. I can't imagine this guy was at one time playing in Wolf, right? And one time before going to PSG, he was planning to go to any other XYZ club. I mean third division, not third division, maybe Turkey वगैरह जाने का सोच रहा था. Look what coaching can do. ये वही PSG है जो famously खलीफी ने कहा था, this is not a bling bling club. But ये वही PSG है who changed his philosophy. That's why a manager, a owner, and the management who backs a philosophy can deliver that. Back to back, no Champions League, boss. At least final में तो पहुंच गया, right? PSG back to back, and defeating whom? the mighty Bayern Munich who chasing ट्रबल चेस कर रहे थे ये लोग। विद देखिए बायर्न होल्डेड, वी ऑल एक्सपेक्ट कि घर पे खेल रही है, तो बायर्न होल्डेड 54% ऑफ हिज दे पोजेशन। दैट्स वेयर आई मीन व्हाट दे डिड इज दैट दे अंडरस्टूड कि ये लोग की स्ट्रेंथ लूचो, लुइस डियास और क्या बोलते हैं सो ओलिसे से आने वाली है। तो ये लोग क्या करें कि ऐसा, बिकॉज टुडे अशरफ हकीमी वाज नॉट प्लेइंग, राइट, and Bayern was expecting Kane to lead the attack because again he's a prolific goal scorer and एक फुटबॉल, अमेरिकन फुटबॉल में टर्म यूज होता है क्वार्टरबैक, तो वो वैसा ऑपरेट करता है। ही बिकम्स 6, he becomes 8, sometimes he go and becomes a winger, right? He will adapt as per the situation and depends, but उसको राइफल आउट कर दिया they. And Zaire Emery, I had so much doubt that he Ashraf Hakimi. He was not Ashraf Hakimi, right? But he did fantastic job. Midfield में Vitinha help out कर रहा था उसको काफी बार आके डिफेंड करने के लिए, because ओलिसे को 2 मिनट छोड़ो भाई, he will rain fire, right? That's Olise, I mean that caliber he is. तो वो ज्यादातर वही चला, I mean exactly. So what I noticed कि when the third minute, when again जब मैं, आप लोग भी नोटिस करिए हाइलाइट्स में जाके ये कुछ भी, जब Upamecano was jumping onto the midfield to provide numbers, right? That opened good opportunity for PSG to attack, and luckily that opportunity came in the first 3 minutes of the game. Boom, pass from Kvaratskhelia, Dembele scored the goal, perfect. Now in my mind I was like, oh, again a next basketball game gonna start. Absolutely no, right? That's how Enrique shined. He came, he adapted like a chameleon, and he went back to shell कि भाई मैंने नो डिफेंड करनी है, मेरे पास पाचो है, you know, Pacho got the man of the, we will talk about Pacho in detail more, right? So again after the goal, Bayern was coming in good position, and right before half time start होने से पहले Musiala को बहुत जबरदस्त चांस मिला, he couldn't convert. Musiala game was completely, I mean he was most like 5 on 10 performance या 4 on 10 performance, कुछ performance दे ही नहीं रहा था वो हर चीज में. But best part is that Kane was at least trying to get into a good spot, but वो आ रहा नहीं था क्योंकि वो तो विंग्स, उसको बायर्न के विंग्स पूरे ब्लॉक करके रख दिए थे ये लोग कि एटलीस्ट अ चांस मिले, हाफ अ चांस मिले, राइट? they were not able to create anything out of it. But again see what I noticed कि again in second half what PSG did, the PSG was like straightforward. They subbed off Dembele right around 65th minute and put Barcola against Dembele. I mean they took off Dembele and they put Barcola. तो speed और fresh legs थे. तो remember that. एंड्रिके का ये थॉट प्रोसेस था कि भाई बायर्न चढ़ के आएंगी, 2 गोल मारना है उसे, वो चढ़ के आएगी, मेरे को काउंटर पे मिलेंगे, एंड चांसेस मिले. उपमेकानो तो पूरा प्रॉपर मिडफील्ड पे आगे कर रहा था पूरा, बट नॉयर अगेन वो चांसेस मिल रहे थे. नॉयर डिड कपल ऑफ गुड सेव, नॉयर हैड अ गुड गेम अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट गोल, एंड again Alphonso Davies was brought in, Nicolas Jackson was brought in at the late attack, but unfortunately nothing much they could do it. And ये नहीं कि बायर्न म्यूनिख को चांसेस नहीं मिल रहे थे, बॉस बायर्न म्यूनिख को बहुत चांसेस मिल रहे थे. लाइक फर्स्ट हाफ में अगर वो लोग 18 शॉट लिए तो एटलीस्ट 18 से 15 शॉट लिए तो एटलीस्ट दे वर कन्वर्टिंग 5 गोल्स, राइट? 4 गोल्स यहाँ पे नहीं हो रहा था, वो लक साथ नहीं दे रहा था. A half a chance was going goal in the first leg. This time around things were different, but that's what, right? Enrique knew कि भाई शूट आउट और मेरी टीम नहीं जमेगी. Even though Spain for that matter, Spain went out on penalties. If you remember 2022 की वर्ल्ड कप की बात कर रहा हूँ, right? So that's why Enrique know that his team will not gonna survive another shootout. So he went with a total control कि भाई मैंने तो sit back करनी है, आओ, come and hit me, come and beat me, right? That's exactly what they were trying to do. And Vincent Company has a simple ideology. He was doing man-to-man pressing, where he was using pace against pace. कि भाई मैं तो पेसेस दूंगा मैं तुम लोगों को, तुम जाके try to run with the runners. But unfortunately, with 78% of ground duels won, Bayern couldn't do anything. They couldn't do anything. But kudos to PSG, second final in 2 years, chasing something great. That brings what gonna happen in Budapest. Arsenal, who's gonna be facing their second final ever in the history. They are stepped into second final ever in the history of the club. They have chance to pick the first trophy of Champions League ever. Or PSG, will they do double on it? लीग तो पॉकेट में है लोग की. आई थिंक दे आर आउट ऑफ कप कंपटीशन. दे कैन डू डबल चैंपियंस लीग एंड द लीग, राइट? ओह माय गॉड, Dembele gonna win another Ballon d'Or if France does better. Who knows, right? But the standout performances, I mean, I standout performance against Pacho है. Pacho ने बहुत, I mean, the Ecuadorian man, he is great. He is, right? Such a great performance by Pacho. But good shout out to there's some decent shout out to Kvaratskhelia, Dembele. बहुत अच्छे crucially आके help out करते गए बीच में. Kvaratskhelia, you know, he was sometimes being a right, मैं इसको right back है क्या समझ रहा था at the match. But yes, Arsenal with Arteta's philosophy, Enrique with tons of experience, या treble जीता 2 वक्त वो with Barcelona, with PSG, and don't know what kind of match it's gonna happen. And trust me, like last year, it's not gonna be a one-side affair. Both the team will go at it, and we're gonna have a great spectacle for sure. Hopefully ये हो जाए. And Vincent Company, I have nothing but good praise for him. He is doing absolutely fantastic with this club, and he's gonna go far. He's gonna go far for sure. And even next year as well, with PSG, Arsenal, Man City, definitely Bayern will be favorites with the concept that they are playing with. They need a couple of additions for sure, which they're gonna reinforce in summer. But apart from that, बहुत अच्छा खेल यार. Kudos to Bayern. Great try. And PSG, welcome back to where you belong. And this time around, you're not going to have an easy opponent. You're going to go against mighty Arsenal. So watch out for that, and stay tuned. I'm working on a couple of more things, like the complete road journey, a complete journey of how Arsenal got to the final, how PSG got to the final. So we'll understand slightly more things that are tacticals. That's gonna help us for sure. So thank you guys. Stay tuned. Take care.